Foley Alabama shower specialists are renowned for their expertise in walk-in shower installation Foley. Whether you're looking for a sleek, modern design or a classic, timeless look, our Foley shower experts can provide the perfect solution. With a focus on quality and precision, Foley walk-in showers and tub installers walk-in shower installation Foley services ensure a seamless fit and finish. For those seeking custom walk-in shower installation Foley, our team of Foley shower contractors offers unparalleled creativity and craftsmanship. We specialize in creating unique, personalized shower spaces that reflect your style and meet your needs. From concept to completion, our custom shower design services in Foley, Alabama are tailored to exceed your expectations. Shower renovation. Foley is made easy with our comprehensive bathroom remodel services. Our Foley, Alabama shower renovation services cover everything from shower enclosure installation to complete bathroom transformations. Trust our Foley bathroom experts to deliver stunning results that enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of your space. Foley, Alabama. Bathroom upgrades are a breeze with our shower fixture installation services. Our Foley bathroom specialists are skilled in installing a wide range of fixtures, ensuring your shower is both beautiful and efficient. Whether you're updating an existing shower or starting from scratch, our Foley, Alabama shower upgrades will elevate your bathroom experience. Shower plumbing services. Foley are essential for a successful bathroom remodel. Our Foley, Alabama bathroom fitters are experienced in all aspects of shower plumbing, from installation to repair. With our Foley shower solutions, you can rest assured that your plumbing is in capable hands, providing reliable performance for years to come. Shower tile installation, Foley, Alabama, is a key component of any bathroom renovation. Our Foley shower installers are experts in selecting and installing the perfect tiles to complement your design. With a wide variety of styles and materials available, our shower tile installation services in Foley, Alabama will bring your vision to life. Shower waterproofing. Foley is crucial for preventing water damage and ensuring the longevity of your bathroom. Our Foley, Alabama shower installers use the latest techniques and materials to provide effective waterproofing solutions. Protect your investment with our reliable shower waterproofing services in Foley, AL. Walk-in shower installation. Foley is a popular choice for those seeking accessibility and style. Our Foley shower specialists are adept at designing and installing walk-in showers that offer both convenience and elegance. Experience the ultimate in comfort and luxury with our walk-in shower installation services in Foley, AL. Foley, Alabama. Custom shower solutions are perfect for those who want a truly unique bathroom. Foley walk-in showers and tub installers. Foley shower contractors work closely with you to create a custom shower that fits your lifestyle and preferences. From innovative designs to high-quality materials, our custom walk-in shower installation Foley are second to none.